So to connect a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor to the HPM7000, we will need the analog input module, and we will be using the M12 connector here. So to configure the sensor, we'll go to the menu, Sensors, Input Module Analog, and I will be connecting the sensor to input 4. So we switch it on and we tap in here. We can give it a name. Let's call it pressure. Here you will select in which type of sensor you will be using. So in this case, we will be using a 4 to 20 milliamp sensor, so we will leave it there. And then we need to do the measuring range. So in this case, I'm connecting this 600 bar pressure transducer. So my measuring range is going to be from 0 to 600. And my units are going to be bar. So an important point to notice here is that when we select the unit as a pressure, the standard units are bar. What that means is that we can change the pressure units from here to other units if we want to. For example, PSI or millibar. So if we go to edit channels, we can change the units to PSI. But as you can see, the scaling is with respect to 600 bar pressure transducer. If, for example, you don't have a bar pressure transducer but a PSI pressure transducer, what you will do is when you configure the sensor, for the unit, select manual and manually enter PSI. And in this way, you will be setting the transducer, in this example, to a 600 PSI pressure transducer. But my transducer is bar, so I will change it back to bar. Let's see, so that's PSI there. Let's move it back to bar. Pressure. So that's back in bar. So now I have my display here. I've already made a cable. So let's connect the sensor to the device. Now you can see that my sensor is ready. So another way to scale up PSI 4 to 20 milliamp pressure sensor is to change the units of the device to PSI. From settings, device, units, pressure PSI. And then go to the sensor, the analog input, and select the pressure units and scale it on the PSI values. However, that will mean that all the pressure channels will be shown as PSI, but then you can change the units for individual channels from the edit channel menu if you want to do that. There you go. If you want to see which are the pins on the M12 connector in the analog input module, please refer to the user manual. I have already printed that page so you can see that pin 1 is power to the sensor and I'm using input 4, which is pin 2 on the M12 connector.